So cones are tight. Yep. Oh.
Oh, gotta go back up more. Back up more, because of that right. You can back up more. Back up more. Yep, right there. That way. Yep. That way, that way, that way, that way, that way. Yep. Come. That way, that way.
He's on that cone, huh?
Yeah, he's on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hard this way.
It's too late now.
Yep.
Bring it.
Yeah, you're on
Straight.
it, but you didn't knock
Straight.
it over.
Straight. Keep it straight the whole way. Oh, stop. Back up. You're on the cone. Stop. Passenger. Full passenger. You're gonna wrap around the cone. Straighten it. You're gonna tip. It's a good tip though. Drop the cone. You knocked it over, the rock moves.
The rock?
Yeah.
How does that count?
The rock moves, the cone moves.
We're gonna have to move the cone.
Yeah, back it up a little. Full driver as you go forward. That's a tough one. Oh, looks like you'll make it. It's just gonna tip.
The thing is these are too close,
Cut it forward.
so I can't stop it and make a turn
Forward. Bring it forward.
because this is too close.
Yeah. Keep it driver. It's gonna tip, but you'll catch. Yep. You're gonna catch. You're good. Yep. It's just a little tippy, but you're catching.
There's just no way. I can't do it.
Keep it cut. Keep it cut.
I can't.
Now, yeah.
I thought it was
Yep. Straight. All right. Stop. Back it up a little. Hold it right there. Full passenger. Forward. Straighten it. Yep. Driver.
How am I gonna get
Driver.
there? What's the plan to turn around and go on the other way?
You gotta go that way. Full passenger, go that way, all the way. It's nice and flat. Go. Yep. You can see it. Get your driver's front tire on this one, and then that one. That's your line. Yep. This one and that one. Yep. Right there. You're good. Yep. Keep the line. Stay on the other rock. Go to the passenger side. Yeah. Straight. A little passenger. Back driver now. Go. Back driver, back driver. Bring it back driver. Almost, almost. Straighten it, straighten it, straighten it, straighten it, straighten it, straighten it. Don't hit this cone, straighten it, straighten it. Keep going straight. Driver, driver, full driver, full driver, full driver. We're wrapping around it.
Doesn't want to go. Doesn't want to go, driver.
Oh, shit. All right, high centered, back up, straighten it out, back it up. Aim towards the cone, pull it forward. Looks like you'll make it. That's a tough one. Oh, don't get caught on it. All right, little tip. Yep, keep it like that. Start this. Not yet, not yet. Keep it like that. Get up and over this rock and straighten it. Right there. Right there. Go passenger, go passenger. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, damn it. Bring it back. Yeah.
Yeah, I just tipped it off.
Bring it over. Bring it back. Bring it back. That's way too tight. That is, oh no, it's the other ones. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Shit. I'm looking. All right. Straighten.
Usually you complain about.
Straighten it out. Straighten it out. Straighten it out. Passenger. 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 Yep. Straight. Right there. Right there. Not too much. Bring it back, driver. 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 There you go. Straight. 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 No. Passenger. 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 Right there. Keep it straight. A little bit more passenger. A little more passenger. Bring it. Bring it. Bring it. Bring it. Forward. Forward. Bring it out. 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 That's it. You're out.
I'm ready, I guess.
Ready?
Go, go. Oh, back up, bump it, go a little past. Right there.
Straight. Straight. Oh. Lost the cone.
You kept it at that first time you would have.
Yeah. Straight out, get some speed. Clear the way. Straight down. You got it. Nice.
Out.
It's okay, the bumper already heard it anyways. You got it. You got this easy. Not that one. You got 2 pounds of fluff on.
Up and over, center. Yep. Bring it in. There you go. Line up. Line up. Keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, cut it. Back it up.
Stop point.
Keep backing it up. Keep backing it up. Get close to that tree. Line up straight to me. Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. Back it up, cut it. Yep.
I go pretty fast.
Hug this way. Forward and out. Drop right in and go. You're out. There you go. Bring it over. Keep going, keep going. Keep going.
Go, go, go.